Hi, I will show you how to install Android Studio include the emulator with offline installer method. First, you can go to developer.android.com/studio and then download Android Studio. Wait until finish. After installer download it, then you can click open to start the installation process. You can click run. We click next here, click next again, next and install. And because we need to install the emulator also, we need the internet connection with stabilized. Click next and start Android Studio. Click do not import setting and click OK. Send usage statistics to Google. Now click next again and we click next and then choose your own style. Click next and don't forget to install emulator. You can select Android virtual device, approximately in here 1.05 gigabytes, so you must have internet connection with stables. Click next again and click finish. Wait until all packages is downloaded. Click finish in here and start new Android Studio projects. In here I choose navigation drawer activity and click finish. Okay, that's all tutorial how to install Android Studio including the emulator, and in the next video we will show you how to starting a new project with running, of course, the emulator on Android Studio. Thanks for watching and bye bye.